1G, 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G mobiles were introduced. So network also introduced. So 1G means used button phones, and 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G almost we are using touch mobiles. Yeah, the systems are vary from day to day. Yeah, because of the network, many type of network architecture were built nowadays. Yeah. So, for example, if you are going to build one network architecture, yeah, so if you are going to launch 6G in a particular place, so what kind of things you will need?
Network architecture.
Okay then.
And what are the things to be implemented beside that?
Okay then.
What are the things required for the structure like the system, tower, and how many people we need to execute the network plan?
Okay. Then
We have to know the speed of frequency.
yeah. So RAM and the ROM. We have to we just need to discuss about the RAM and the ROM units. Okay. So for example, random access memory, how the speed of the network, how the speed of the device is increasing from one device to another device. We have to particularly we have to know first of all that. Okay. And then we have to build one network architecture. So what do you mean by base station? Can anyone have idea? Base station. So now we are speaking about a base station for wireless and mobile networks. Okay, so what do you mean by base station?
The components. What are the components required for wireless and what are the components required for wired network?
Okay. So if we are going to build mobile architecture, means it particularly contains many type of base stations. Okay, so from the base station only, particularly for example, encryption, decryption methods are not happening in this mobile network. Important is if we are going to send one message to the receiver, the receiver will access the message, and then from that the receiver will send to the server. Okay, so client and the server are moreover involved in wireless and mobile networks. Okay, so what do you mean by local area network or wide area network? Can anyone? So local area network. So wireless local area network. Can anyone tell?
Include public Wi-Fi and routers.
Routers here.
Modem for
Network connections, very good. So wide area network contains. So from for example, if I am using a wired network, okay, local area network means I am connected with an wired network, and my place here one system only had. They both the system are connected with the wired only. Okay, so I just send my message through the wired only. Okay, so mainly, so wide area network, okay, this is a local area network. In wide area network, particularly I am going to send a message from one place to another network, okay, another area of place. So that only particularly wireless system are introduced. For example, if I am going to send one mail from one place to another place, okay, the receiver will place into any area of network, or either foreign or maybe smaller or either foreign area. Okay, the receiver will have to get a particularly only an important and particularly a correct message that he or she will receive. Okay, so mainly wireless network are involved in particularly transaction of message. Okay, message means here information. So the transaction of information. Can you tell me? Okay, if I am, for example, if I am sending one mail, okay, so I am a sender, so receiver will get a mail, okay, through wireless only. Other type of example I just asked you. Wi-Fi. Wireless network. Moreover, sender and receiver message, message they can transaction from one place to another. I particularly asked wireless, what are the other messages you just send from one to another place? WPN, personal area network. So Gmail. It is an wireless. Okay, wireless message. Wireless means we just send a message from one another place. Another type of example I ask. For example, WhatsApp. Just a message, you send a message only. Okay, from one place to another. It is also one type of wireless network only. I explained that the domain only. Okay, so Gmail is an domain. What the main users on the sender and receiver will exchange the message through the wireless. For example, WhatsApp, fax, then Twitter. Okay, can you understand? So, if you are, for example, if you are going to build one network architecture in a particular case, so what are the ideas you have?
Providing a secure
Secure, first you have to analyze what type of network architecture is different from our okay, for example, if I am going to launch a 3G network, means 3G architecture. First I have to build a 3G architecture and I have to compare between 2G and 3G. Okay, so 2G and encryption, for example, existing is disadvantage from the 2G. Disadvantage I will just take it. Okay, after that I have to implement the advantages in 3G network. Yeah, these are the particular things we have to discuss why we are going to building one particular network. Okay, these are the particular things. I just made.
Okay.